Imagine waking up tomorrow with no brain, no thoughts, no memories, no ability to make a single decision. You'd think that's the end of the story, right? Wrong. In the deep blue, there's a creature that has mastered the art of being empty-headed. It has no heart to beat, no bones to break, and not a single gray cell to think with. Yet, it has outlived the dinosaurs, survived 5 mass extinctions, and some versions of it have even discovered the secret to biological immortality. Stick with me until the end, because I'm going to show you how a creature with zero intelligence might actually be the most successful life form on Earth. Trust me, by the time we're done, you'll wonder if having a brain is actually overrated. Hey everyone, I'm your guide through the wild. Usually, as a wolf, my brain is my best tool for hunting and surviving with my pack. But today, we're looking at my total opposite, the jellyfish. Now, let's get the basics out of the way. If you took a jellyfish out of the water, you're looking at something that is 95% water itself. They aren't even technically fish. Scientists prefer to call them jellies. But how do they function? Without a brain to tell them to breathe or a heart to pump blood, they rely on something called a nerve net. Think of it like a simple electrical grid spread across their entire body. They don't think about swimming. They simply react to the touch of the current or the presence of food. It's pure instinct, hardwired into their cells. No anxiety about the future, no regrets about the past. Just being. We humans like to think we're the masters of the planet, but we've only been around for a blink of an eye. Jellyfish? They've been drifting through the oceans for over 500 million years. That makes them older than the dinosaurs, older than trees, older than almost everything. And they didn't survive that long by being soft. Even without a brain to aim, they're some of the most efficient hunters in the sea. Their tentacles are lined with thousands of tiny, pressurized needles called nematocysts. When something touches them, pop, the venom is injected in a fraction of a second. It's one of the fastest mechanical processes in the animal kingdom. Some, like the box jellyfish found near Australia, carry enough venom to take down a human in minutes. Not bad for a creature that doesn't even know it's hunting. But here's where it gets truly sci-fi. Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, the immortal jellyfish. Most of us grow up, get old, and that's it. But when this jellyfish gets sick, injured, or faces starvation, it does something impossible. It reverses its aging process. It transforms its adult cells back into their earliest state, essentially turning from a grown-up back into a baby polyp. It starts its life cycle all over again. Over and over and over. Theoretically, it could live forever. No brain, no memory of its past lives, just a constant loop of survival. While we spend billions on anti-aging creams, this brainless wonder is just hitting the reset button. It's humbling, isn't it? As a wolf, I rely on my senses, my pack, and my mind to survive. But the jellyfish shows us that life doesn't always need complexity to win. Sometimes, all you need is to flow with the current and keep moving. No brain, no fear, no limits. If you found this dive into the deep end fascinating, hit that subscribe button right now. I'm hunting for the most incredible stories in the animal kingdom, and I don't want you to miss the next one. Join the pack, and let's explore the world together. Speaking of strange ways to survive, you think immortality is weird? Next time, I'm going to introduce you to a lizard that has completely deleted dads from the equation. That's right, a species of all-female lizards that doesn't need a partner to have babies. You won't believe how they do it. I'll see you in the next one.